Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the Windy app. Here we have the Android version, and what I want to show you here in this video is how to access the forecast models and even be able to see and animate them here on the map. Yeah, I have bought the premium. I'm a little bit disappointed, but I still love some of the functions, and so I wanted to show you how to see the forecast models, because it's not easy, and when you Google for that, it's hard to find any real good answer. The only thing which I have found is a description how to do that in a very old app version, which totally doesn't help. Everything has totally changed, so it's not helpful, and so I wanted to show you how this works. And so I show you a sample how it doesn't work. So usually here down here we have the menu. I hope you can see that when I click here. And so on top here we have the different map types. And when we are going down, we see the different forecast models. But no matter where I click here, on which model I click, it's not showing anything. Of course, when we don't need the map animation and we just want to check on the model data, not animated but as like a graphics, then of course we can do it like that. Here we see the center where we are, and so we are picking just some location in the red so it can access this location. And so it's showing here on the top the information for this location. We right click here, or we click on the right side, and then it's showing the meteogram, and then we can invoke the model data here. So you can see the different models, GFS or also HRRR. But how to access the model data in a real animation on the map? And so for that we have to go back to the menu. The problem is that I have to select a different map type which is supported by the model. For example, for the HRRR, which is the most accurate, most refreshed model, which is usually very helpful when you're looking for the best short-term prediction. And so here in this case, what I have found what's working is this one here, rain and thunder. And so let's go down again, and now you can see the models are activating. I can use the GFS, I can use the NAM, the European model, that's one which I don't know, and the very famous HRRR. When we go here, you can see I can zoom in and even let it play. You can see, so it's showing what's going to happen this afternoon and tomorrow or whatsoever. Or for example, when you have the premium subscription and you want to check the satellite archive which they have, that's an awesome thing. So we click here. I think we don't have to click on anything below, and we can click on this side. And so if you want to see the archive, you have to click here on the right side, and then we have the 2 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, or the archive where we can go back even to last year. I think there's not more, but at least last year, August, September, and so on. Can click on any date and it will play then the 24-hour satellite history from this day. I think we have to close that. Yeah, I would say that's it. I wish this would be a little bit easier, more intuitive, because I think even for an expert it can be quite tricky. And so I have actually a better solution than the Windy for you if you're interested. And that's, as always, the Flowx. That's an absolute awesome thing. It combines even different models. Like here I have on one side I have the HRRR, I have the NAM, I have the GFS, but of course I can also select different ones. Here it's just the most accurate, most recent, most refreshed, and I have everything. You can see I can even go back, I think 3 days or so, and see the radar history for the last 3 days. Of course, depending on what I have activated down here, you can choose whatever you want. And then here we have really a super fast radar history. And now we are approaching the current time. If you want to have the current time very accurate, you just click on the time. Now we have the current time, and now you can swipe up to show the slow movement in the HRRR. You can see we are still in the HRRR, and then it switches, of course, because of the HRRR is not unlimited. It goes to the next available most accurate model, which is the NAM, and then it switches again. Here you can see it switches again seamless, pretty much seamless to the GFS. You don't have to do anything. It goes automatically. This is absolutely fantastic. Watch this thing. Watch this animation speed, details, everything. When you compare it to how slow the Windy app is, this is amazing what we see here. How fast you can access these model forecasts. That's absolutely amazing. So definitely my recommendation, download the Flowx. There is a free version. You can see what's free. Then there's a silver version for $9.99 per year, and there's of course then the gold version with all the detailed models like the HRRR for $20, same price as the Windy, but definitely much easier to use. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions or whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.